Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Before I go any further, from a disclosure perspective, I am long Litecoin, so keep that in mind. I am an owner of it. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action as they're usually normally kind of looked and analyzed, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like several weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just allows for me to talk about the chart in a way that keeps it for as relevant as for as long as possible, because the markets are open 24/7, and the last thing I want to do is spend time doing this and then having the chart become irrelevant within several hours. But in this event, by talking about the 4-hour, I can talk about levels that are going to stay relevant for a much longer amount of time. First level I want to talk about is just the support, because the support also kind of piggybacks into the potential pattern that is taking place here. And that pattern is known in the world of charts as a double bottom right down here around a double 105. So not once, but twice, hence double. The bears try to press down through that 105 area, and the bulls have been doing a good job of holding strong. So potentially here we have a double bottom reversal taking place, although still quite a bit of work that needs to be done, which segues perfectly into this first bit of resistance, because this is definitely that key level that of quote-unquote work that needs to be accomplished, and that's breaking above this very stubborn purple line there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And so far, not doing so good. It moved, and then surprise, surprise, you can see right where the price currently ran out of steam. By no means am I saying it can't be broken. I'm just saying that within the world of charts, this is definitely a very important level to keep an eye on. And the other thing to keep in mind is that not only do you want to see the price break above it, but then you want to see the price be able to stay above it. Case in point right here. Sure, the price was able to break above that 50 period, but when it came to actually maintaining and staying above the break, the bulls could not do that, and you saw the results of that. The price just rolled right back over. So yeah, it's great to see that the price has shown some strength in the short term. There's no doubt about that. A very nice bounce is underway. But the big question going forward, and I should note this is not like some sort of secret discovery on my part. Anybody that understands charts and uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing. But that question going into the next several hours is going to be, can the price finally break up above that purple line? But again, not only break up above it, but then stay up above it and not repeat this history where the price gets above it and then collapses back below it. So key level of resistance going forward, definitely that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, and then the overall area of support as discussed down there at $1.05. So we'll see how the chart continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.